How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get six-pack abs in only 3 minutes, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So in this video, I want you guys to be able to get six-pack abs and to maintain those six-pack abs while you go from a weight loss cycle to a bulking phase. Basically, whatever body weight you're at, I want you guys to be able to maintain six-pack abs every single time. So here's what normally happens. There are some people that can only see six-pack abs when they get to, say, 10% body fat, 8% body fat, 9% body fat. There have been times where I've been sitting at 16% body fat, 15% body fat, and I have clear, crisp six-pack abs. So how is that? How is it that I am at a very, I wouldn't say a very high, that's an average body fat percentage, about 15, 16%, but I still have six-pack abs. Like, that shouldn't happen. I should have to get to like 10, 11%, even 12% to see my abs. So here's what you need to do, and here's what I do different than most people, is that I train with weights. My abs, I always train with weights, and I always progressively overload. So again, if you don't have access to weights, then there are other things that you can do, but a simple thing that you can do is get a weight, even if it's just a 10 or 20 pound plate, put it behind your head and start doing some ab crunches with them. Right now, what I do is I take 3 25-pound plates, so about 75 pounds, hold it behind my head, and I do my ab crunches, and I can do them extremely easily because I've been working my way. I start at 5, 10, 15, 20, I'm all the way up to 75 pounds. So my abs, I could probably get to, I'm not gonna do it, but I could probably get up to 20% body fat and still see my abs. If you guys don't believe me, if you're like, whoa, like this isn't right, look at professional strongmen. Those guys are 300, 320, 340, 350 pounds. They're super tall too, but their body fat percentage, just looking at them, you can tell that it's very high. Their body fat percentage is 25, 28, 30% body fat. And the reason being is because a lot of times, the higher the body fat percentage, it allows you to lift more weight, you guys. And if you look at them, a lot of them, like majority of them, have six-pack abs, like really nice six-pack abs. It's because they're training. Strongman is literally all overhead pressing. Like, so many movements are overhead pressing, and to overhead press you need an extremely strong core. So that's kind of how they have really good six-pack abs. So what I do, and again, it only takes 3 minutes, that's kind of why I titled the video, is I will do literally 3 25-pound plates, so 75 pounds. I'll put it behind my head, and then I'll do a set at about 25 reps. That takes about a minute to do. I take a 30-second break, and then I do another minute. I'll do 3 sets. So basically, I do about 3 minutes of working sets, and that's all I really do for my abs. I also squat, though. I barbell row, I deadlift. All those exercises do work your core, especially if you're lifting a lot of weight. So just a quick little tip, thought I would share that with you guys. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.